How to change Spotify playlist picture. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can change your Spotify playlist picture. So simply open up Spotify on your phone, and then once you have Spotify opened up, now from over here click on the bottom right on your library, and then after that simply click on any one of your playlists. Once you click on your playlist, after that you guys are gonna see your playlist. Simply click on these three dots over here, and then after that simply click on edit. Now once you click on edit, after that simply click on change image, and then after that you can choose the image from your phone's library, or you can simply take a photo as well. I will quickly take a photo from my library, and then after that I will catch you guys in 1 second. So once you have the picture added, after that click on the top right on save, and then this image is going to be saved along with your playlist. So guys, that is how you can basically add in pictures to your Spotify playlist. Thank you so much for watching. Take care till next time. Goodbye.